This is Chapter 5, Case Problem 3. The first question asks to prepare and print an accounts receivable aging summary. So you go to Reports, Customer and Receivables, AR Aging Summary. We put in the date January 31st, 2012. We go to Customize Report. The alignment will be right. We want to make it without cents. And we do not want the date prepared or time prepared, so we uncheck those. The largest balance is going to be the $33,000 from credit. If you double click, you can drill down. It then shows the invoice right there. You can double click again to bring up the invoice, and this will show the total amount due, the description, and the date of the invoice. Question 2 asks to prepare and print an accounts payable aging summary, so we go to Reports, Vendors and Payables, and then we click AP Aging Summary. We want to put in our date of January 31st, 2012. We will then customize our report, make the alignment left. We want to format it without cents, and take the date and time prepared fields out. The largest balance is the $5,600 right here. We can double click to drill down. It brings up the invoice right here. We can double click again. Here's where it shows the invoice, the date, amount due, and account code that was used for this bill.